Hey there, I'm holding the all-new Google Pixel 4. This is the small one. There's also a Pixel XL. You got the nice smooth back. You've got the new camera array in the back. All right, so we've got two cameras on the back. We've got a 12 megapixel and the 16 megapixels, the 2x optical zoom. On the front, we have the 8 megapixel, which is a 90-degree wide sort of selfie camera, so you're just going to get more people in there. You've also got gesture controls, which I've tried out, which work quite well. Set timer for 20 seconds. Oh, that was cool. Did you see that? I just gestured to stop it. You've got a recorder built in, so you can transcribe your words in real time. All right, let's test out the recorder. It's supposed to transcribe my voice as we go. How's it doing? Well, it's a tough environment, so yep, it's running Android 10. Phone has an OLED display. On the camera side, Google has updated, so it's HDR Plus Live, so you can see in real time exactly what your HDR Plus images look like. Night sight has been updated as well, so you can now do, as you can do with other new smartphones, you can take photos of the night sky, stars, long exposure. You will need a tripod if you're going into the minute range, but there's a lot of computational photography going on here to, for example, on HDR Plus, combine then photos into one for a better image. You know, Google's moving further and further away from its old boxy design, which I like, but you can still squeeze the device to activate Google Assistant. So that's kind of a throwback, but I like it. I don't know what material this is on the back of the Google Pixel 4, but I really like the feel of it. It's kind of brushed, nice. If you're wondering about the size, the Pixel 4 is roughly the same size as an iPhone 11 Pro. Here's something else I should mention. Google's on trend now with a 90 hertz refresh display. The whole point of 90 hertz refresh is for gaming, stuttering, smooth motion on interfaces. It's not something I necessarily can tell with the naked eye, but I think gamers are into it.
I do remember that we were able to take selfies with larger.
Inside the Google Pixel 4 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 CPU. It's backed by 6 gigabytes of RAM. This starts also with 64 gigabytes of storage, and all the phones start at $799. The Google Pixel 4 comes in a few cool colors, including orange. What's better than one Pixel 4? Two Pixel 4s.